Generally, all the infrastructure in badly designed ramps and most of restaurants and cafes have big steps that I can't go. That is a major problem for Greece. Most of the people see the wheelchair, not the person. We want to be more independent and more free to do things that we like, from education to just go for a walk. In my case, I didn't have any problem about receiving the treatment. I remained stable in my physical condition and generally in my health, so I'm pretty happy about it. As the medical treatment goes on, I have seen a very big difference. I could eat faster and I was more strong to eat. I think that it's more easy to me to build muscle. If a person having that, I can say that it can help. It can really help. And if you help your body enough with exercises and physiotherapy and occupational therapy, it can make an impact in your life.